is Erica Good, and I'm a teacher with the Calgary Board of Education. On behalf of Calgary Public Teachers, Alberta Teachers Association Local 38, I would like to provide you with some information on how to take advantage of CBE's Employee and Family Assistance Program, offered through Homewood Health. We all face challenges in our daily lives. The purpose of this presentation is to provide all CBE employees with information on Homewood Health. Homewood Health offers counseling, coaching, and resources for all types of issues relating to mental health, health management, and achieving greater personal and workplace well-being. Let's explore both the Insight website on CBE and HomeWeb, which is now how you will access Homewood Health resources. In order to access services from Homewood Health, please do the following. Log in to cbe.ab.ca or click the link below. When you get on the main homepage, click on the right where it says Staff. This will take you to the Staff Links page. There, click on Insight. Open the search bar and type EFAP. This stands for Employee and Family Assistance Program. Find a listing that says Employee and Family Assistance Program and click on that. Homewood Health is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you need immediate crisis support, please call the number located on the website. It is 1-800-663-1142. Services are also available in French and for the hearing impaired. All services that Homewood Health offers are strictly confidential, and any information that you provide does not go back to the employer. Let's take a look at the Efap guide for employees and family members. This is a good video that will give us an overview on what services are available to us as employees. On the Insight page, you will be provided with information on services that our Efap provides. These include counseling services, online resources, and Life Smart coaching. I have included a link here to the catalog where you can go through and see all of the resources that are available to you and your family for free of charge. Short-term solution-focused counseling is available to you and your family members. Topics include, but are not limited to, those listed on this slide. Coaching services are delivered over the telephone and often include a personalized package of information and useful tools, such as tip sheets, articles, and software programs that have been selected with the client's specific interest in mind. Some topics include career solutions, life balance solutions, and they also provide career counseling. You and your family members can access Homewood Health anytime for e-learning, interactive tools, health and wellness assessments, and a library of health, life balance, and workplace articles. Here are examples of some of the resources available to you and your family. Now let's move on to how to log in and create a Homewood account. Type in www.homeweb.ca. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up. Here's the tricky part. In order to create a HomeWeb account, you need to type in the Calgary School Division. When you log into HomeWeb, on the top right-hand corner of the website, you will notice their toll-free number, which is 1-800-663-1142. An operator is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you scroll down the page, you will notice that there is a dashboard on depression and anxiety. They use what they call iVolve. This is Homewood's online, self-paced treatment program for mild depression and anxiety. Therapists use a cognitive behavioral therapy model in order to help you with anxious or stressful feelings. Please click on Access Online CBT in order to be able to register for short-term cognitive behavioral therapy. You can browse their library in order to find other coaching materials and resources available to you and your family on such matters as student life, crisis, family, legal and financial, lifestyle, and other tools. Thank you for taking the time to go through my presentation on the services that are available to CBE employees and their family members via Homewood Health, our Efap provider. If you have any further questions about what Homewood Health offers, please feel free to contact them at 1-800-663-1142. Thank you.